I'm Meg Hughes. I'm Curator of Archives at the Valentine. The Valentine is committed to making our museum a place where all Richmonders feel welcome and represented. And we're doing that by increasing the diversity of our holdings, our exhibitions, and our programs. And a way to do that, and really an effective way, an authentic way to do that, is by partnering with community organizations that represent communities that we want to establish a relationship with. And so for us to partner with Sacred Heart on different programs, bus tours, exhibitions, collecting efforts, is a way for us to make some inroads into the Richmond's Latino community to show that we do want to represent Latinos in Richmond's history. And while we can endeavor to establish relationships on our own, it's a lot easier to do that with a trusted partner in the community. And so we find our relationship with Sacred Heart really valuable to start establishing some trust between the Valentine and the museum community and Richmond's Latino community. So we're looking forward to seeing more members of your community in the museum, participating in our programs, on our tours in the near future.
Hi, my name is Wanda Hernandez. I am the Latino Project Curator at the Valentine. Sacred Heart Center has been invaluable in putting together the exhibition Nuestras Historias Latinos in Richmond. I remember the first time we had Cuentos de Historias here, which was a oral history collection. People were very timid at first to share their stories, but then by the end of it they came up to me, they're like, Wanda, we need to do this again at Sacred Heart. How often can we do it? So seeing people of the Sacred Heart community, the Latino community, come out here and be empowered by their own stories was inexplicable. It was amazing.
The Bainbridge Community Ministry is a food pantry that services the poor and the elderly in our community. We're very grateful to the Sacred Heart Center for being a supporter of our ministry and for donating the space to us.
My name is Norma Ryan. I'm an application specialist for the Virginia Healthcare Foundation. The foundation mission is to increase primary health care to the uninsured Virginians and families in the underserved areas. The foundation has been helping families apply for state-sponsored health insurance since 1999. I assist families with preparing their applications and also understanding the benefits that will be available to them, since many of these families come from countries where there is no health insurance. The famous programs provide comprehensive free health insurance for children up to age 19. I really love helping families at the Sacred Heart because it's a convenient location. Many of my families are close to this area, and it's a very familiar place to them. Also, I have a private and quiet place to meet with these families, and the staff is very supportive to our partnership and to the families that we serve.
My name is Karla Ramos, and I work for the City of Richmond's Office of Multicultural Affairs. The partnership between the Sacred Heart Center and the City of Richmond's Office of Multicultural Affairs means many things for us and the community we serve. Because it is hosted at the Sacred Heart Center, it allows for families to reunite in a friendly environment and share and learn about resources that will empower them to become better advocates for them and their families.
For the Mexican Consulate, it is really very important. I think it's one of the most important relationships that we have, the partnership, because without the help of the SCH, we cannot do anything. First of all, because they allow us to come on almost 4 times a year to come to visit the city of Richmond, which, by the way, we have a large a very important and large community of Mexicans living here, and especially people from the state of Guerrero, which is important to tell because they are people that are trilingual. Some of them speak their own indigenous language, or some of them Spanish and English. But this is a large community that needs the help. So when we come for the mobile consulate and they lend us the space, we save all the Mexican people the trip to DC, and we can issue them mainly passports and IDs, the Mexican IDs that are very important to them, and the passports. They don't need to go to DC. And also we always, there's a person from the legal department, and they come and give some orientation and legal advice. So for that, we are very thankful to this Sacred Heart Center. And last but not least, the center hosts our Plaza Comunitaria, which is also very important for the community. The Plaza Comunitaria, the community center, enables our people and all the speaking Spanish people to study literacy classes, English, some other classes for adults, but empower them and let them to make an effort and get the GED. The centers also, they help them for the high esteem, empower them, especially women and men, and we really are very thankful. I think that the center is the strongest but really a strong arm that the consulate has in Virginia. We are very thankful. Un abrazo para el centro, really. This is what we consider our partnership.
Yes, I'm Dr. Janet Eddy, and I'm the medical director of the Secour Caravan. We are a mobile primary care clinic. We go to about 30 different sites in Richmond, one of which is the Sacred Heart Church. And about half of our sites are in predominantly Latino neighborhoods. We feel like we provide good medical care to the people who live in these neighborhoods, but beyond the medical care, we really have a difficult time helping people with success and education and happiness. And I really think that's where the Sacred Health Center, or the Sacred Heart Center, comes in. They work with the kids, and they have a preschool for the children and also a summer camp. And they also, for the older kids, have a pre-college program and a leadership program. For the adults, they work with immigration issues and citizenship and on education like ESL and GED. So with all of that, I think together we are trying to help this population to succeed in their new country.